The text field node feature in SimLab Composer allows for dynamic text input and display within your VR experiences.
This feature enhances interactivity and personalization, making the experience more engaging for users. In this tutorial, we'll create a clinic environment where users can enter their name and age. After clicking Next, a personalized welcome message will display their name.
This demonstrates how to use the text field node to enhance interactivity in your VR project.
Now let's begin.
First, launch SimLab Composer and open your project.
Then, add the objects or elements you want to make interactive. For this tutorial, include a page where users can enter their name and age. Position these elements appropriately within your scene. Then, create two string variables and name them name and age.
Then, create two variable writers and assign them to the name and age variables. Make the variable writers editable by clicking on the editable checkbox in the properties. These writers will be used to display the values entered by the user. Then, add a trigger box to your scene and set its alpha to 0. This trigger box will be used to activate the transition to the second page when clicked. On the second page, add a variable writer and assign it to the name variable. Make sure this variable writer is set to not editable. This will display the user's name on the second page without allowing further edits. Then, open the training builder, navigate to the event section, and add a no trigger event. Attach this event to the trigger box you created earlier. This setup will link the trigger box to the action of transitioning to the second page. Then, add two show hide nodes from the responses section. Attach one node to page 1 and set it to false, to hide page 1. Attach the second node to page 2 and set it to true, to show page 2. This configuration will handle the transition between pages when the trigger box is activated. Now let's test it.